Hi everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and today we're going to do a short tour of the 1840 RBX. This is the Northern Spirit XTR. So the XTR, they're like lighter, smaller floor plans. Northern Spirit by Coachmen RV. You have to be an RV care dealer in order to sell Northern Spirit. So check out what this is about. It's a dealer network of service across Canada and the US. So Minard's has proved their exemplary service, and we are able to sell this product, and they offer some pretty special floor plans at great tow weights. So what you're getting a laminated fiberglass product with a heated underbelly and loads of features that we haven't seen in some of our other products. So really functional features and fun. So let's get started here. 1840, 18 feet, tip to tail, hitch to bumper, 22 feet 6 inches. So this is the sweet spot for those lightweight tow vehicles. And what you're getting in this coach, rear bath, RB, that should have given it away, walk around bed. It's a pretty special bed, we'll show you that, and a slide. And this is all weighing in at 4,200 pounds. So lighter SUV towable, lighter tow vehicles. Something I just discovered up on the roof, Nancy showed me, there is a roof mount solar panel on this unit. So that's already on board and ready to go. And we can talk about battery banks. You get one from us, but we can talk about upgrading on that. Two 20-pound bottles, power tongue jack, with some LED lighting, scissor jacks on all four corners. These scissor jacks are angled a bit, so they're going to add another level of stability. We did talk about the laminated fiberglass. We're going to leave you some information so we can talk about construction when we see you or we're on your phone with you. But these guys use the Asdel in the wall composite, so this is going to help prevent and stop delamination, which is that bad word in the RV industry. So Asdel fiberglass. Good, check, check, check. Here we are at the front, north-south bed equals pass-through compartment. So ample storage under here. There is a bit of a jut in, and we're gonna see why that is on the inside, but still loads of storage. I am gonna show you a little pocket here, so you're gonna wanna zoom in again. Remember those functional features. This is a fishing rod or pool noodle storage area, all right there. They give you the socket for your, or the bit for your socket if you want to be able to make these jacks power. Motion sensored lighting in here, so as you open and close, that lighting will go on and off. You've got your water hose, 30 amp power cord. We're gonna have a look downside. Not a big trailer, remember, 18 feet, 22 tip to tail. We've got power awning with the LED lights. Outside speakers, beautiful aluminum wheels here. At the back of the trailer, Lippert has added this fold-up step system. So very stable, stops the rocking of the trailer. Adjustable feet here for uneven ground, and this will just tuck right into the door frame. So out of the way, handy grab handle, and then right here we have a leash latch. These guys are pet friendly people, so you get one here and then one on the other side, and there's a doggy wash station, so with an outside spray port and another leash latch. So go through the photos and you can have a look at that. We've also equipped the trailer with a backup camera prep, so if you want the backup camera system installed, we can do that for you, and it is by Voyager. Here as we enter in the trailer at the very back, remember, compact trailer, so there's a lot going on. I love that the fridge is right here at the door, so you want to just come in and grab something, easy to get at. This is still a two-way refrigerator. It's going to work off of propane or 110. Separate ice box. And then beside the fridge, there was room for it, so you've got a small pantry. 4 deep cubbies right there for all your dry goods. Here we are into the kitchen area. A nice big window right on your campsite. Love that. You usually get mini blinds in the kitchen because of the open fire with the cooker. You're gonna get the tin blinds here. Double bowl stainless steel sink. Love that. High neck faucet. These guys even have a little spot to put your sink covers, so they're out of the way and you're not having fumbling with them. Nice storage up above. Nice storage below. There we are for your cooktop. And you know what? A lot of people aren't cooking inside the small trailers, but you do, and you can if you want to. Small oven, microwave up top. We're going to just keep going. You have a bit of counter space here with a plug-in, 2 big drawers, your furnace ducting, right, easy to get at. And you do have a stereo here. Keep going a little bit, a flat screen TV that will pull out and swivel around on an arm. So here we are in your slide. Not a super big one, but very functional. Again, we've got an indoor-outdoor table. So if you find you're doing all your eating outside and you're not using your table, leave it at home. You probably don't need it, or put it in your storage compartment. You've got a nice sofa bed here. This is a jackknife sofa, so it will make down to a bed, a small bed. It does recline as well. These bottom legs kick out, and it's a nice, easy material to keep clean. And you're also posing that TV when you pull it out and swivel. So just nice little area for 2 people. Here we are in your rear bathroom, quite compact, but you still get a foot flush toilet, nice big cupboard for your towels, linens, glass shower, not the cheapy plastic shower. It's lovely and large, and then your sink and vanity area. There is motion censored lighting strategically placed close to the flooring in most of these units too. So if you get up in the night, those will just illuminate your way. So here we are at the front of the trailer and your queen size bed. This is a standard queen. We're 60 by 80. That front window, it's behind a blackout blind here. You've each got reading lights. There is a big switch there for those lights. Nice big deep cubbies on each side with some overhead cupboards. And then you've got windows on both sides, and both of these windows on each side open so you can get that breeze and airflow. So also I need to show you something that is probably synonymous with the Northern Spirit line, as these guys were the first ones to do it. We called it the magical bed. So most beds have storage underneath. These guys go a little further and give you more. You've got a little puppy bed here. Lots of room for sweaters, and like you can pile up 5-6 inches deep of hoodies, drawers. You can put your basket over here. You can put some board games, because there's lots of little mesh baskets there too. And those are 100-pound shock arms, so they will hold that bed up quite nicely as you're getting your gear out. Hope you enjoyed this short tour of the 1840 RBX Northern Spirit. We are located here at Minard's Leisure World in Weyburn, Saskatchewan, also servicing you in Watrous, Saskatchewan.